Joining us now for an exclusive interview is CureVac CEO Franz Werner-Haas. Thank you for joining us. What are your expectations for your mRNA vaccine as it relates to the ones that we're already seeing administered by Pfizer and Moderna in terms of efficacy, availability, and everything else we're following?
Thank you very much, Sarah, for the question and having me. Yeah, well, we are also working on mRNA technology. We are using it slightly different than BioNTech and Moderna do because we're not introducing chemical modifications like pseudouridine. We are in a pivotal trial phase 2b/3, which is recruiting quite heavily right now. We are expecting to have an interim readout towards the end of the first quarter and then going straight into approval process. Which hopefully, based on the data, of course, which we expect to be also with a high efficacy, what we see with BioNTech and with Moderna. So the expectation is high because we're all working on mRNA. And then certainly what we're producing at the moment is already at risk for the case of success, which means good data and fast approval.
So now that you've partnered with Bayer to get more manufacturing done, how many doses are you going to have in production, and where are they going to go? Have you signed any deals?
Well, certainly the collaboration with Bayer helps us to bear this heavy weight of 36,000 subjects to be recruited in our pivotal trial, and then certainly dealing with all the logistics thereafter, especially the pharmacovigilance, also to track the people who have been vaccinated even after approval. That's a huge and massive kind of effort you have to do. And so, as I said, we are producing at the moment already at risk to have towards the end of the year. We are calculating about 300 million dosages. And if we find new capacity, certainly we will add this to this one as well. We have got an agreement signed with the European Commission on 225 million dosages with an option of 180 additional dosages. But certainly we are in contact with other governments as well in order to allocate even more dosages.
Is that deal direct just with the EU rather than with individual EU member states? And do you think it's fair if countries like Germany, where you're based and where Bayer is based, get early amounts of the dosage?
Well, Wilfried, this works with the EU Commission like that the European countries really had a common effort to this one. So, first of all, the APA, the Advanced Purchase Agreement, is going with the EU Commission, and then it's allocated among the different member states of the EU and other affiliated countries there as well. So they have got an internal key how they allocate it, and there is a distribution plan for this one to all the countries involved.
The standard refrigerator temperature part of your vaccine makes it a little bit easier, say, than the Pfizer's. Friends, just this mRNA technology, it's obviously proven to be a game changer, but it's brand new. Are there long-term side effects from these vaccines that you would worry about or watch for in the broader population?
Well, I wouldn't call the mRNA technology brand new. We, as CureVac, we are dealing now since 2000 with mRNA, and since 2006 we are producing mRNA, and since 2008 we are running clinical trials with mRNA. So the technology, as always, the technology needs time in order to get exactly into the applicability, and a broad applicability, which is not obviously not only by CureVac, which is good. And we haven't seen any long-term side effects, which is due to the fact that as soon as the mRNA is going into the cell and delivers a message taken by the ribosomes in order to then transcript into the proteins, which is the spike protein, the mRNA just disappears. So there is no way that we could consider long-term effects. Nevertheless, and that's what I'm trying to say earlier, we are following up with these kind of subjects treated and also with these even after approval to see are there any effects, and these data will be collected. So just to be on the safe side.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.